Take command of the road in the 2017 Subaru Impreza. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has just over 80,000 miles. It features a continuously variable transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, heated seats, fully automatic headlights, and much more. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Subaru also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.